Hello, this is Solomon Davis from Right Side Trading, where you can learn to trade on the right side with confidence. Today is April 13th, Friday the 13th, and this is a quick look at a trade. This is all for educational purposes only. Trading is risky. You can and you will lose money at trading, so please seek out your financial advisor, your significant other, and make sure trading is something that is suitable for you. Let's just switch right over to the chart. You know, this is our web page. We all are into the education thing, so check us out, coaching. Check out this IPO thing, and we got a lot of other things coming up. Sign up on our website here, enter your email so you can get all the updates and video things that we have going on. A lot of the free stuff that we got going on too. You know, but let's jump over to the charts. You see my YouTube page? It's going to be out here on this thing here. Whenever I get it. Yep. So let's jump and see what's going on. All right. Up, we're going to miss the trade. We're at where we at. This thing usually moves 10 points or more, and we already moved 9. I'd like to see if we're going to pull back a little bit. We at yesterday's high. That's yesterday's high. Wow. So the market is up pretty good already. Let's see if we can actually make a pull back, and I'll try that 5-minute trade here. But I'd like to get a nice little pullback back down to this area here, or at least, you know, there we go, there we go, there we go. Now let me bring up my active trader, and I'm gonna do it. Yeah, I got it set. Can I take it there? Can I take it there? Nope. I'd like to pull back a little bit more. Can it do that pull back again for me? And we'll take this trade right here on this first candle. Show you how to scalp that first candle, because we're right at a pivot where I needed to pull back a little bit more before I really feel comfortable about taking this trade. There we go. Buy market. Virtual account. And it's a little slow. Yeah, slower than I expected. But I'm going to leave this stop on here, and I actually let this video go. Because again, this is not, you know, you really should be trying to nail this trade down here somewhere. But I'm going to show you just how sometimes the mistakes that we can make, you know, you want to, oh man, it's going to get away from me. So let me go ahead and get it right here. It's above this area where, you know, above this resistance area. It's also at a resistance area here at a pivot. You know, it's going to go higher. You know, but and you take that trade. Let's see how this actually works. You know, usually when you do stuff like that, it's going to stop you out, and I think we just got stopped out. So that's how not to do it. So like you say, you should be taking that trade once it comes down here to this level here, or maybe even as low as this level down here, or let it come all the way down to yesterday's high and take it. That's why I have these lines here on the chart. And the other thing that I always say, let that first 5-minute candle finish. You know, that's how I was always doing, and that really gives you that indication what's going to really happen on that thing. And also, where's my indicators other than my moving lines and my pivots? You know, I'm not even looking at any of that stuff right now, even over my other charts, either on my other screens. But the thing is, you can just use these things right here and take these trades. And I'll do another trade here right quick. There, my 5-minute candle is a doji. So again, for me, that will be a no trade, and then it's your next best play. You know, so because when it's like that, I don't know exactly, based on the numbers that I have and all, I don't know what's going on. We're above these areas yesterday. Like I said, this line represents yesterday's high. This is not, and now I need to look at a bigger picture also. Once we see that, what else are we fighting? And it goes way back over there to this area here. If I draw a line here, we're fighting this area here, so we're fighting this little area here where the market dropped. But I'll go ahead and take another trade. Let's zoom back in now and zoom back down to our lower time frame. And let me see if I can get me one, see if it'll push down here one more time. And I'll take, I don't want to take a sell since this market is kind of in an uptrend. And we got a doji though. I hate, you know, doji is no trade. I have to really kind of wait. And that's why I kind of dropped down to a lower time frame and see if I can get a better entry. You know, the sell from up here would have been a better trade and all, and we would have, here we're going to woulda, coulda, shoulda thing that we could have got here. So let's see what happens here. This is the area where I would take my buy if it's going to continue on up. There we go. And I really would like for it to come on down here closer to this area here. And that's 94. And if we push down a little bit more, I'm going to put my buy. I like to get my buy-in down here around 97, down around this area here, just below that low. Because again, then I want my my stop is below this area right here. So I'm in this trade right now, and let's see how this works out. So I showed you two different ways of entering these trades. The first one I did a market, just did a buy market. And then the next one I kind of just set it where I want to get in at. I knew I wanted to get in below this area, right in this area right here where this market took off. See, this really wasn't what I would call a great demand area. But this right here is yesterday's high. You know, and they may not want to go below yesterday's high. If it does, it may just dip just enough below it to stop me out, you know. And that would be it. That's why kind of I would want to even be 5 points below, like getting that entry like right here at this yesterday's low. Then if it goes 5 points below that yesterday's low, yeah, I definitely need to be out of that trade and all. And where we were trading at right here, going down to 88, I didn't know if it would go that far down, playing it to the downside, especially when you got all this, you know, buying pressure that was going to the upside. So that's the other reason I didn't really want to take a short at that time. So kind of just explain the way I'm thinking, the way I'm actually looking at the market and stuff. So let's see how this works. And again, this is in the paper account. You know, this is not a live trade. I need to also look around. I got some other live stuff going on, and let's see what's happening with it. It's on the other screen, I believe. Let me bring that up for myself. Sorry about that. View order status. And it was executed. Oh. It was executed. Cool. So my live trade is done. Yeah, actually trading some stock. And I need to, what is it doing? I need to actually take a look, and that stock is up. It's good, it's good. See how this NQ thing plays out. And I need to look at some other stocks, look at some other trades here. See what else I'm gonna do today. That's down a little bit right now. There we go. We're going on up here to make this money. The thing is now we lost $100 on our first trade, so we're only gonna make $100, you know, overall for the day on this right now. This is showing just open position on this right now, and this is showing our profit for the day over here. So kind of just watch this and see if we get this here. While I take a look at some other things on the other side. See if I want to do a different trade. Here we go. We're just about ready to get out of that. And one more push and we'll be done. There, we're done. So that's all I really want to show. So trading is not that difficult if you have, I like my indicators that I use here. They give me a good indication of what's going on. You got to see how I can enter a trade bad and actually lose money. Also, you see how I can go back, okay, I know that was wrong. This is where my entry should be. I said my entry should be here. My ideal entry should have been closer down here. It did come down to this point, and we were able to make that money on that trade pushing back up. Again, that's all I really want to show today, guys. contact us if this style of trading looks like something that you would be interested in. Let me just bring this up. I'll be posting this out here at my YouTube page. Also, check us out at rightsidetrading.com. Email me, Nee Solomon, at rightsidetrading.com. I'll bring that up. It's me right here. This is things right here that I do, priceless and all. But I will and can. I will be discounting this sometime in May. May is my birthday month, so I'll do something special that month. And I plan on doing a webinar that month too. So other than that, you guys have a great weekend. Have a great day trading, and stay on the right side and learn to trade on the right side with confidence. Talk to you later. Bye.